What?
He's gonna be there.
What? Good. It's recording right now. Sketchy ass camera. What's that?
I get a video of this shit.
Oh, here, okay. Me?
I'm terrified. I want to shoot this. I'm terrified. I ain't running that
Here,
shit.
hold this.
Where are you running to?
Hold this like record to this. I can help though.
I mean, I'm not gonna shoot you, so I mean, I guess I can roll with you.
Oh, okay.
After this, I'll give you my Facebook name.
I think I
Yeah, you know, you have to do that.
I just like go through like my requests. I just add everybody.
Hey, he's a paintballer.
Yeah, right. That's exactly what I do.
My Snapchat name is...
She's a hot paintballer.
No, that's exactly. I'm just like, wow. There's so many people I didn't know.
Hilarious.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, what am I supposed to do?
Yeah, I always want to...
Quinn, does anyone have any paint for me?
Do we still play the game
No,
after
you
this?
can't. I already gave him. Oh, okay, I understand. Yo, and then
I am.
I'm gonna get the paint out of this. And just to fill the 12 ball. Put it in your pocket.
Dude, look how bad I'm paying.
I got you.
I'll just over a fucking woman.
I would literally sell Quinn all the stuff I just...
You're using this pistol?
Dude,
Alright,
we're good. Seen the deal
We're good.
we just did. Put
We're
it in
good.
your
Yeah, for real. How do you gotta give me guns for one?
So what we did is we traded him for $45. His gun, the hopper, all the paint inside.
Why do
And
you
he
do
slowly
that?
took it away. So we ended up changing to trading his gun without a hopper, a mask,
Yeah.
and what else? Like a barrel socket.
Because they just have to punch guns out.
Yeah. And then we got 3 guns.
ran the
A mask.
Yeah.
We got 3 CO2 tanks.
What's funny is Kevin, he called me, he's like,
Where's the box?
you?
Where's all the guns?
He looked at Kelly, he goes, I need you.
Where's the other one?
Indoor right now. I'm like, okay. So we're all out there in the bachelor. He walks out, he goes,
Okay, so you'll put the
a lot more people than I anticipated.
And then when you run out,
I took it.
how do I turn it around?
I wasn't ramping, I just went,
Were you here when we did the...
And then,
I'm gonna be destroying you.
Joey's,
Israel...
When you,
Dude, I'm gonna see how fast you're running. Bro, we had like... Dude, so alright, I'm
So
guessing
when
it's a
you,
gauntlet with our friends. Our team. I thought it was our team. No, it was the whole fucking part.
So when you
They announced
drop
it.
into the ground,
Thumper
like,
announces it.
or whatever, or just like
be
pull it out and put it in your
a,
pocket.
You
You have this one ready like this so that you
There's
can
a gauntlet. Guess
Yeah,
everyone go in there. Knucklehead's
Take
coming
people
around.
with
No,
you.
say no.
Don't
Knucklehead.
touch
Someone
the
has
knob, because that will
like
everywhere.
half of
Don't turn that
SAS,
knob and make sure. Yeah,
Assassins,
that's all.
NFG,
Hold that with you.
everyone just aligned right here. Find the Facebook. Ask Mac about it. It was terrible. I got shot the least because everyone hated him back then. They wanted to shoot his ass. Yeah. So they shot his ass. They shot Joey's ass. I got it the worst least, but that day I was like, to kill me.
Yeah, bro, we missed it, dude.
That's hilarious.
You ready, Jager? Dude, I can't wait till my birthday.
Oh, dude, my mask is recording the
I'm
drum.
gonna freaking. I'm gonna do the whole part. I want people to relate.
At the end, say like.
Just gonna wear this.
I mean, I've seen people take a lot more pictures. Like, there's just one video. He's just doing like.
Yeah, I would not do that ever.
Oh my god, my mask is so fog. Such fog. Oh dearie.
No one's gonna
Oh,
like
Long Johnson.
Let's do it.
Got him. Surprise, motherfucker. Smile for the camera. Thank you. That was.
That'd be better.
Whoa! We're not taking you home.
No, that's not how it works.
Hey,
Stand right here and shoot. You don't
Hey, the screen's on, right?
Stand right
Your screen's on. There's a little pause symbol there.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, cool. That means that it's on.
Hey,
Talking about chasing.
you guys are only gonna. Alright, Israel.
Wait,
Hold down
okay.
apart. Spread your guys' self apart. I just filled my tank.
You ready?
Oh yeah, that would have been bad.
Tell you, like,
Yeah. That would have been terrible.
Alright, this will begin. Hold on, let me get over here.
Here, hold on. Don't shoot me. I'm gonna. Hold on. Don't shoot me. I'm gonna be right here in the middle recording.
Alright, you better hurry, Johnny. What?
in 5. Go! Do it back. Run back. All right. Run in 5. Go! Albert!
Quinn's own gun. Quinn's own gun.
Yeah. How you feeling, buddy?
He's wobbling.
Dude, you look like you're about to slip into a coma.
How's it feel?
Happy birthday, bro.
Happy birthday.
Painfully
Yeah,
hobbled.
someone's ball hit, got me right in the head. Who's doing it? This probably is real.
This is the heaviest fucking thing. Jesus.
that? Yeah, you did. How do you feel?
I got shot more times on the way back than on the way forward.
Wait, okay, wait, here, wait, turn around real fast. Hey, yo, turn around. I want to see
I
what.
was like, ah.
Wait, turn around. I want to see what we got hit. Oh my god.
That first run, you're like, off to the races. Here we go.
How much shot? Did you get shot a good amount? I saw you do a duo.
Yeah, I forgot to record.